Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to automatically delete media files from your Viber account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon right here. It's going to take us to our settings. Next, we're going to select the fifth option we have here that's called media. And now we're going to select the fourth option we have here, that's keep media. So it's set forever, so that means that they won't be deleted. So delete media older than the selected period of time to free up the amount of storage space displayed. So now it's set to forever, so it doesn't delete any media, but you can set it to 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year. So let's go ahead and set it to 1 year. This will delete media older than 1 year. Are you sure? So even when you enable it, it's going to delete your media older than the year, older than the week, or older than the month. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to your channel for more helpful videos. Bye!